What's up everyone? How you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the Chroma key in VN. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can open this VN first, and after that you can start to click the new project and choose the video based. And for example, you can start to choose the picture that you would like to create the video or do the editing or combine it into the video. And for example, I will choose the picture over here. I will choose the black base first, like this. And after that, I will go to this section, which is adding the picture or video. And for example, I will choose this photo and I will start to expand it first or adjust the size. For example, like this. Well guys, in this VN, you can use the chroma for changing the color of the object in this photo. For example, keep this picture being selected, and after that you will choose the chroma key like this, chroma. And after that you can start to move the, let's say, the color or the object like this. And for example, I will change the object, let's say the sofa, or change the color of the sofa to be another color. For example, the sofa color, it was blue. However, you can do the adjustment for the intensity over here and also the scale, and you'll see that the color of the sofa, it was blue. However, we can change it to become green, and also this must be the faded green, and this will be the gray and green and almost yellow. So you can use this chroma key to change the color of the certain object, guys. And the next thing that you can use the chroma key in this VN would be removing the background. So you can click the new project again and choose the video based, and it will be better to add the picture as the base first, because I will show you if we put the clip or the picture in this section. So down here there will be no the chroma option, guys. So it will be better to put your video or your picture into this section, because after you put the picture of clip, the video clip over here, there will be the chroma option down here, guys. For example, I will start to put the photo, and for example I will choose this picture and I will start to expand it, for example like this. And while you select this object or this clip or this picture, you will find the chroma option down here. And after that you can move this chroma and you can move the section or the object that you would like to remove the background, and you can adjust the intensity. For the black one, there will be no background, guys. And you can also adjust the scale, let's say to change the color if you want to, like this. And finally, this will be the picture or the object that has done the background removal. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this chroma key in the VN. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.